suspended in the air, I hear myself breathing, hanging by a thread. My heart is barely beating. I haven't fallen yet, but I feel it coming. Tell me, would it be too much to ask if you break it to me gently that I'm waking the next day without you beside me? And who I hold on to today, tomorrow will just be a memory. And that I will look back at all of this and wonder why I stayed in here just to watch you disappear. So I breathe and let you go. How do I breathe and let you go?
Kayla! Happy birthday to you!
I'll take one step away. I don't wanna let me go. Rushing back to you. So I just shut my eyes. Forget that you were mine. Just letting you go.
I know I don't belong. I'll find my way.
Abs, this is not allowed to.
Night and day. 'Cause I know I just can't stay here in heaven.
Oh, madaganan si Lola. Gusto mo ba tutulak kita?
Time can bring you down, time can bend your knee.
Ano pong lagay ng pasyente?
Time can break your heart, have you begging please, begging please.
Na, ba't kayo nakatali? Lola. Lola. Ano sabi niya? Ba't kayo nakatali? Ha? Sinabi niya kanina, no? Ano yung tali? Ba't ka nakatali? Eh, nasa bahay na tayo. Nakatali kayo. Baka hugutin niyo yung hose. Hindi matanggal, ah.
Beyond the
Kamay niyo. Hindi matanggal ang kamay niyo.
there's peace and
Kasi hugutin niyo yung hose, eh.
and I know that if I saw you would it be the same in heaven? I must be strong and carry on, 'cause I know I don't belong here in heaven. 'Cause I